Oregon chains. People ask me how often I change my chain. I sharpen mine as much as I suffer to have it sharpened. When it gets to a point where you can't sharpen it anymore, you just have to bite the bullet and put a new chain on it. Sharpening's not for the faint-hearted. It tells you on the back of the box it comes in. It tells you the size of the file. Mine's is 5.5. I use a hand tool like that, and I just lock my chain up, move it along, and mat a file at 20 degrees. It tells you on the box what it is. 5.5 file, 20 degrees, and it only takes a few passes left and right. Otherwise you just change your chain and put a new chain on it.
So if you were to sharpen it, how many times before, because the more you sharpen the chain, the weaker you're making it.
Weaken the links. It's got marks on it. It's got wear marks on it where you would take it back to, and that's as much as you would go. But I change my chain. If I'm going to take a tree down, I put a new chain on, and basically that's a tree taken down, chopped up and logged up for the house.
Brilliant. Thanks very much.